Okay, so real quick, look at this. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen, because there's this like super mist coming down, and I have to keep pulling over to scrape off the sheet of ice on my windshield. And it just keeps building up. Every time I scrape it off, it keeps building up more and more and more. It's like it's not even like real snow. It's like, it's 22 degrees out, and it's this weird super mist that is coming down, a real fine, thin mist sticking to the windshield.